And welcome into another edition of NCSD News, along with ace videographer Brian McGrew. I'm Curtis Long, and this is a breaking news edition of NCSD News. Now we hear that there is a surprise assembly taking place in the Alder Creek Middle School gym. What could it possibly be about? Let's go in and check it out. So you can see we're here at Alder Creek Middle School's gymnasium. A huge assembly about to take place. The question is, why? Why are so many kids in here all at once? In fact, they're bringing the whole school in. We asked the kids for help. They weren't much. What do you think it's about? Why would they call an assembly all of a sudden?
It's about stuff. I don't know.
It's about stuff? What kind of stuff?
Ryan Reynolds.
You think Ryan Reynolds will be here?
Yes. Someone graduating early?
Maybe someone graduated from Alder Creek early. Maybe it's a sixth grader. They moved on to high school already.
That there are 34,000 teachers working in schools across Oregon alone. And of those 34,000, only 16 teachers were selected as Oregon's Regional Teacher of the Year. And guess what? I think you know, Clackamas County's Regional Teacher of the Year works right here at Alder Creek Middle School. It is my honor to announce the 2023 Clackamas Education Service District Regional Teacher of the Year, Mr. Ron Antlitz.
We are really pleased to have Mr. Antlitz represent our county and all of the outstanding educators here and the wonderful team that supports you in your own classroom. I want to thank you for your decades of devotion to students and especially for being a light to each and every one of them and for being an advocate and a champion for equity and inclusion.
Mr. Antlitz, thank you so much for your passion and dedication to your students. It's clear how much you care about them, not only today, but also for their future as well. So on behalf of the Oregon Lottery and the Oregon Department of Education, we'd like to present this check to you and congratulate you once again for being a Regional Teacher of the Year. Thank you all.
Well, there you have it. A big assembly at Alder Creek Middle School today. Students were perplexed. What could possibly be going on? Well, as they leave tonight on these buses, they know that one of their very own teachers, Mr. Ron Antlitz, has been named the 2023 Oregon Regional Teacher of the Year. Congratulations, Mr. Antlitz. All your students are rooting for you in the quest to become the Oregon Teacher of the Year. We'll find out about that a little bit later on. Let's sign off from Alder Creek Middle School.